Hi everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing unboxing of a new phone, that is Lenovo Z6 Pro. So yesterday was the first sale in China and I luckily got this phone. This phone is really good, quad camera, 4 cameras, 32 megapixel front camera, Snapdragon 855, Octa 2.84 GHz, and just for US dollar 430 for 6GB variant and near about $445 for 8GB variant. The price is really good, the specifications are awesome, and the display is super AMOLED. They have 3.5 audio jack, Type-C charging port with 27-watt fast charger. So I really like this phone. Today we will do unboxing of this phone, and later I will do a comparison with Mi 9, Vivo IQ, Oppo Reno, and I have Huawei P30 Pro also. So we can make a comparison between these phones because this is a flagship phone by Lenovo, and we will see which one is better. So here we go. If you like this video, please like it, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it. I will do unboxing of latest phone as soon as possible. So here we begin our video, and let's see Lenovo Z6 Pro. So here is the box of Lenovo Z6 Pro. There is a 6 in the box, the black color Lenovo with a red color logo. So my variant is 8GB with 128GB storage, and it cost me near $445 US, and nothing special in this box. So let's open it out. So this one is black and red color variant. They have two colors. One blue is also there, but it's not available for sale, so I got the red one. So Lenovo box are really much pretty, you can say. Like Lenovo Z5 Pro box is also very good. So let's take it out and see what's inside in this box. So the first one, I think it contained one SIM ejector tool. You can see silicone cover and some instruction manual with screen protector. So Lenovo mostly gave screen protector. In my Lenovo Z5 Pro also I got a screen protector, so this is a really good thing. So this is a Chinese variant, as Lenovo till now just launched phones in China. They don't launch globally. So the instruction manual only in Chinese, so it's no use. So we'll take the phone out. So first we will see the data cable and the charger, and then we will talk about the phone. So in this phone, the data cable is both sides is Type-C, and they provide a USB to Type-C converter here. So this is a unique thing. I saw it first time in a phone. So, and the charger is of 27 watt. The battery contained 4000 mAh. So that's really good battery backup, and they say you can charge another phone with your phone with this data cable, Type-C to Type-C. So you can see the charger have Type-C. So both sides have Type-C. So this is a good thing. You can better than, I think, reverse wireless charging. So we will try it someday and see how long it will take. So now let's look at the phone. So the phone is 6.39 inch, near about 185 gram. The look is very fabulous. There are two side curves and red color Lenovo, 4 cameras, 1 TOF 3D camera, flash, and I really like this phone. It looked like a flagship phone. On the top you find 3.5 audio jack, IR blaster, noise cancellation, and 2 antenna rays. Here you get volume key and power on button, speaker, Type-C charging port, mic, and here we have the SIM tray. So in this SIM tray, this is a hybrid SIM slot. You can use 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM with 1 microSD card, and which support till up to 512 GB. So this is also good. You can buy 8GB variant with 128 GB storage, and you can use a microSD card to extend the storage. So let's start our phone and do the setup quickly. Lenovo, powered by Android. So this phone support Android Pie with ZUI 11, the Lenovo OS system. So let's activate and the phone. So in this phone you will get the in-display fingerprint lock. That is really awesome. So let's have a try it. These days very common in the flagship phone have a in-display fingerprint lock. So it's done. We will try it later after setting up the face unlock. So the setup is complete. The phone looks really brilliant. 6.39-inch phone, Super AMOLED display, 1080 by 2340 screen resolution, 85.3% screen to body ratio, 19.5 by 9 screen ratio. So let's try the face unlock also and have a try for both locks, which one, how it perform. So face lock is done. So let's have a try with in-display fingerprint first. It's quick. Now let's try face unlock. Well, it's also quick. So after some days I will give you the final review. So let's see the specification. Snapdragon 855, 128GB storage, 8GB RAM, hyper video technology, 32 megapixel front camera, 6.39-inch screen, battery is 4000 mAh, in-display fingerprint sensor, and ZUI 11. So the specification according to the price is really brilliant. I really like this phone. So let's try Antutu. Before launch they say the score will be more than 400,000, the Antutu score. So let's see how much it is. I really like the display quality. It looked really fabulous. You can see the Super AMOLED really worked very good. So the score is 364,836. So it's not more than 400,000. I don't know why Lenovo said this. So let's check the specification in Antutu. So Android Pie Adreno 640 1080 by 2340 screen resolution. This is 8GB RAM. Density of this phone is 480 dpi, pixel density 404. Camera is showing wrong. The battery is really good, 4000 mAh, and this phone doesn't support NFC, but it's okay. I don't like NFC so much, but it's okay. So now let's try Geekbench 4 and see the CPU benchmark score. I will do the comparison of Mi 9 and Vivo IQ with this phone as soon as possible. The single core is 3525 and multi-core is 11,158. So the score is really good according to the price of this phone. So let's talk about the camera of this phone. This phone have a quad camera, 4 cameras, 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 16 megapixel f2.2 ultrawide, 8 megapixel telephoto, 2 megapixel super video camera f1.8 aperture. This have 125 wide angle, super wide angle plus TOF 3D camera. They support OIS PDAF, and the camera as per the specification is really good. The front camera is 32 megapixel with f2.0 aperture and 0.8 micron. Before launch it was said that this phone have 100 megapixel camera. So how it is 148 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 32. So they includes 106 megapixels. So that is the reality of this 106 megapixel camera. So I will do a camera comparison and camera review as soon as possible. So in this phone we can record the rear camera video in 4K, and the front camera we can record in Full HD 1080p. So let's click some picture and see a little clarity of this phone. 32 megapixel front camera, so it should be a good one. So if you want to do a comparison with some other phone, you can write me in the comment section. So if I have that phone, I will do it as soon as possible. So now let's try the rear camera. This is super micro. They say they have a super macro camera clarity and it's really look good. So in camera comparison, we will see the real difference of two phones. So they have so many features. So this one is slow motion, slow speed 4x, slow speed 2x, normal, fast speed 4x, fast speed 8x, fast speed 16x, and we can have a zoom till 5x. So we also get these features like macro, wide angle, panorama, portrait, night, and pro. So in camera review I will do this and see how better they are. In video you also get
micro, wide and sport. Sport is like it support OIS, so when you're moving or writing something, the camera clarity is much better. So now let's try the speaker quality and see how it works. This phone support Dolby Atmos sound, so it should be good. So the sound is really good, the speaker quality I really like. Now let's see the TikTok, and you can see the display quality is also very awesome. Super AMOLED work very fine with every angle. I really like this display. So now let's have a PUBG gameplay and see the performance. So I will do a small gameplay and see how it works. Does it lag? Does it hit it up? So first see the graphics. So this is have a Snapdragon 855, Adreno 640, Octa core 2.84 GHz. So we can play in Ultra HDR. We can't play in Ultra HD. So it's good, and I really like the screen display. So now let's have a match. So I am playing a small match. I am showing you just a highlight. So it's Snapdragon 855, 8GB RAM variant. So I think it will not lag at all. So we will see. I will do a gaming review soon and we will check about it later on. So till now the game is going very smooth and I didn't feel any lag till now. This is the benefit of using a flagship phone. You don't feel hitting issues, you don't feel lag problems. And here we get some kills. So I'm playing the Chinese variant as I live in China, so it's easy for me to play Chinese version rather than the global version. So in the comment section you can tell me about your opinion. If you want to see any game in the gaming review, you can suggest me. If I can download it in China, I will try my best to do it, and we will see how is the performance in many games. So let's skip the video now, the gameplay. And here we won the chicken dinner. I killed 8 people. So here is the conclusion for me according to today unboxing and hands-on. I really like this phone because the price is really good, under $450 and the specification is really awesome. Hope you like this video. If you want to ask something, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please like it.